So a good goal is going to be mostly intrinsic. That's one essential quality. A good goal is also going to have a quality of meaning to you. It's going to make sense to you. It's going to matter to you. It's going to express your personal identity. Now, another really essential component of a goal is that you choose it. This is called autonomy. When two groups of people are given a goal, and some say they chose it autonomously, but others feel it was forced on them, when they start to work, they work at about the same speed and have the same success. But when hurdles are encountered, the group that chose their goal, they tend to overcome the hurdles. The group that feels forced to be working on this subject, they tend to stumble or decide to give up altogether. The classic example are the students who come to me and say, I want to go to medical school, sort of, but really my parents are forcing me to do this. When your parents are forcing you to take a class like Orgo, which can be a fairly miserable class, when you encounter that really difficult moment, you might start to go, why am I doing this? And when that happens, when you can no longer focus on what you're doing because you're going, why am I doing this? We tend to veer off track.